Good day, everyone. Have you ever tried to stay in this kind of establishments? In a motel, in accommodation, restaurants, lodging, resorts, or hotel? If not, join me. Let's discuss the Module 6 of Facility Layout and Design, which is Hospitality Industry. And this is a PowerPoint presentation of Muhi Joverdan A and Kurai Michael S of CPT 32. Hospitality industry, the sector that gives accommodation services including hotel, motel, dormitories, boarding houses, pension houses, and camping sites. Hospitality industry can be defined and understood as an industry which provides facility for stay, food, and complete related services for the comfort and leisure of travelers and visitors. Hospitality is the industry covering all the products and services that serve travelers, tourists, and all types of visitors. Hospitality industry segment and the accommodation industry provides temporary place for guests, visitors, tourists, and traveler. Accommodation is the most basic and fundamental aspect of hospitality as an industry. Why? Because accommodation provides safety for all those travelers who are unaware with the new places. It also helps the tourists to explore their desired city in a better way. It enhances the overall experience of traveling. There are various sub-segments within this which are according to the type of accommodation and services associated with this, and that's the hotels, motels, bed and breakfast, and resorts. Hotels. This is the first and the most prominent part of the accommodation and also of the hospitality industry. Hotels are the most preferred place to stay for the travelers and tourists. This is to much extent due to the range of services, quality, and comfort provided by the hotels. The primary purpose of hotels is to provide travelers with shelter, food, refreshment, and similar services and goods, offering on a commercial basis things that are customarily furnished within households but unavailable to people on a journey away from home. Motels. Motels can be called as a subdued version of hotels. These are places which people or overnight travelers use primarily to spend the night. These also do not provide or offer the range of services or the comfort which hotels provide. The difference between a hotel and motel. A hotel is usually a large enclosed building with hundreds of rooms across multiple floors, while a motel has one or two floors with outdoor room entrances. Next, under the accommodation services, is the bed and breakfast. Bed and breakfast, or BBs as they are called, are small places mainly for overnight stays but come with breakfast in the morning. Most of these B&Bs are located or established within a house premise, with the owner also living there. They have separate private rooms especially for the guests. Many bed and breakfast inns are located in a peaceful settings and have beautiful gardens and views to take in. Bed and breakfast tend to promote peace and quiet and offer a great place to escape from the stresses of everyday life. Resorts. Resorts are a full-service accommodation specifically meant for tourists. They have separate private rooms especially for the guests. Many bed and breakfast inns are located in a peaceful settings and have beautiful gardens and views to take in. Bed and breakfast tend to promote peace and quiet and offer a great place to escape from the stresses of everyday life. Resorts. Resorts are a full-service accommodation Resorts offer complete or as much of the services and amenities which a tourist needs. One will mostly find resorts near tourist destinations. Resorts usually offer all the basic amenities for a comfortable stay with all serviced rooms. Resorts provide food, room services, and also leisure and recreation facilities. Design. According to Buchanan 2001, design is the human power to conceive, plan and manufacture products that serves people in the realization of their individual and collective purposes. Such a definition suggests that design is inherent in all aspects of human endeavor and fundamentally related to human beings, highlighting the importance of design for the hospitality and industry sectors. The design of a hotel, tourist facility can give the company an identity or character and project the attractiveness and vision of the company on visitors or potential visitors. These elements, both material goods such as architecture, decoration, and furniture. Nobles 1999. And non-intangible goods such as the environment also contribute to the well-being of guests. Designing a hospitality business is one of the most important aspects of keeping your customers happy. Yet hotels and restaurants often struggle to achieve their preferred aesthetic. When they do, however, they reap the benefits. Getting the design components spot on can take a great deal of time and care because of the design must appeal to all the senses. As a result, attention to detail, high quality furnishing, and aesthetics are very important. Hotel design. Hotel design encompasses the planning, drafting, design, and development of hotels. The concept of hotel design is rooted in tradition of hospitality for travelers, dating back to ancient times, and the development of many different types of hotels has occurred in many cultures. For example, the advent of train travel in the early 20th century led to the planning, design, and development of hotels near train stations geared toward train travelers. The hotels around Grand Central Terminal in New York City are an example of this phenomenon. Hotel interior designs and styles are very diverse and there are many variations. There are numerous types of hotel design in the world. Real estate location is still an important aspect of hotel design today. Visitors to the hotel can choose to rent a room for one night or a suite for a month. And that's my report for today. The next reporter will be Michael Escuray, who will report about the types of design of hotel.
Good day everyone. My name is Michael Escuray of Group 4. My topic is all about types of design.
The first type is the professional design. Next is the cultural design and the remodeling. Professional design is the contemporary design of the hotel can be demanding and functional, with specialized as architects and designers, environmental and structural engineers, interior designers and contractors and qualified suppliers, especially for large and complicated projects. The hotel buildings have several different features, including restaurants, outdoor facilities, swimming pools, and fitness centers and spas. Hotel design involves planning with the customer's valued needs for the facility in mind along with the designer's vision. Hotel buildings can have a variety of functions, including restaurants, outdoor facilities, and swimming pools, gyms, and spas. Contemporary hotel design involves the effective integration of these various aspects of hotel operations within one location to minimize mutual interference. Hotels are generally designed from the inside out for practical functionality and proportion of their parts. The next design is the cultural design. Hotel design involves planning with the customer's valued needs for the facility in mind along with the designer's vision. Hotel buildings can have a variety of functions, including restaurants, outdoor facilities, and swimming pools, gyms, and spas. Contemporary hotel design involves the effective integration of these various aspects of hotel operation within one location to minimize mutual interference. Hotels are generally designed from the inside out for practical functionality and proportion of their parts. The design of the hotel ranges from basic variables, such as the appropriate height for the headlight switches in the bed, to the more specialized ones, such as the correct layout of the kitchen or the sight lines of the reception areas to allow control and protection of access to rooms. The rate of change in hotel design, as in most areas of modern life, has increased with the development of innovative technologies. Despite cultural differences, hotels generally serve to provide a welcoming environment that supports their guests' comfort for work, rest, and relaxation. The last is the remodeling. Hotels are constantly being modernized to maintain the health of the hotel. During a remodel or renovation, you take care of the interior of the hotel, such as furniture, maintenance, and layout. The exterior of the hotel is in need of a facelift like the canopy. Every year, the amount of money invested in the update increases. Hotel furniture needs to be changed every few years. In the course of renovations, hotels are expanded to include the new areas such as weight rooms, game rooms, or business rooms with computers. Maintenance updates throughout the hotel are carried out every 15 to 25 years. Hotels are increasingly respectful of the environment. During remodeling and renovation, parts of the hotel will be locked while work is in progress on this current part, then move on to the next part and continue until all work is complete. In this way, the hotel can remain open during the renovation. Character trait: hospitality. Be not forgetful to entertain strangers, for thereby some have entertained angels unawares. And that's my report. Thank you for listening.